What is your name?
My name is Andrew.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Sri Lanka.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
What do you do?
I am a student.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read storybook.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is watching TV.
Do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and curry.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I can play the keyboard.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is rainy.
Do you have a pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Where do you live?
I live in Kandy.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Mayavi.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook biryani.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Predator.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 5:30.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I like watching TV.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is elephant.
Do you have best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Jesus My Lord.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you speak any other language?
Yes, I speak Sinhala.
What is your favorite fruits?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is beans.
Do you like to hiking?
Yes, I like hiking.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you like to run?
Yes, I like to run.
What is your favorite numbers?
My favorite number is 10.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I like photography.
Do you like to garden?
Yes, I like to garden.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is cake.
Do you like to fish?
Yes, I like to fish.
Do you like to camp?
Yes, I like to camp.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla.
Do you like bike?
Yes, I like bike.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Super Singer.
Do you like to skate?
Yes, I like to skate.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube.
Do you like to serve?
Yes, I like to serve.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is sunflower.
Do you like to bowl?
Yes, I like to bowl.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is Candy Crush.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I like puzzles.
What is your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is chocolate.
Do you like to knit?
Yes, I like to knit.
What is your favorite car?
My favorite car is Toyota.
Do you like to snowboard?
Yes, I like to snowboard.
What is your favorite plant?
My favorite planet is Rose.
Do you like to ice skate?
Yes, I like to ice skate.
Do you like to rock climb?
Yes, I like to rock climb.
What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is sunny with a gentle breeze.
Do you like to surf?
Yes, I like to surf.
Do you like to go on picnic?
Yes, I like to go on a picnic.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Sunday.
Do you like to play chess?
Yes, I like to play chess.
What is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is dove.
Do you like to skateboard?
Yes, I like to skateboard.
Do you like to read comic?
Yes, I like to read comic.
What is your favorite gemstone?
My favorite gemstone is emerald.
Do you like to play the piano?
Yes, I like to play the piano.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
Do you like to play the guitar?
Yes, I like to play the guitar.
What is your favorite tree?
My favorite tree is mango tree.
Do you like to build with blocks?
Yes, I like to build with blocks.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I like to paint.
Who is your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is my father.
Do you like to make a craft?
Yes, I like to make crafts.
Do you like to play soccer?
Yes, I like to play soccer.
What is your favorite things to do on the weekend?
Favorite things to do on the weekend is eating out.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
What is your favorite word?
My favorite word is mother.
Do you like to bake cookies?
Yes, I like to bake cookies.
Do you like to play with toys?
Yes, I like to play with toys.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is van.
Do you like to play in the snow?
Yes, I like to play in the snow.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is Kodaikanal.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to watching cartoon.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is melody.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Oh no, I don't enjoy cooking.
What is your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Do you enjoy rowing or painting?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have bread for breakfast.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Jan.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music.